If you're still copying shipping label data out of PDFs by hand, watch this. I start with a blank sheet and let Sheet Agent build the extraction template for me. Now the PDF links are in column A, and the table is ready for formulas. One formula pulls the tracking number. Another gets the recipient name. Then I extract the full address, carrier, and ship date. Once the first row looks right, I fill the formula down and turn the whole batch into structured data. And this last step is the part most people skip. I ask the agent to double-check the table, not just make it look complete. It flags that all 4 rows are identical duplicates and calls out missing fields. So instead of ending with a sheet that only looks done, I end with one that's actually been reviewed. If you want more AI application showcases, subscribe and give us a like.